Hi everyone, today's video I'll show you how to use Whisk. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to visit the Whisk page on Google Labs. Sign in with your Google account and start using the tool. Select or upload the images. You can choose or upload an image representing the main focus of your desired creation. Pick an image that sets your environment or background and select an image that conveys the artistic style you want to apply. If you don't have a specific images, the Whisk offer a dice icon that generates a random images to inspire your creation. And then after selecting your images, Whisk will process them to create a new AI generated image that combines elements from your chosen subject, scene, and style. And if the initial result isn't your liking, you can adjust your image section and then add the text prompt to fine-tune the output. Whisk allow for continuous iteration, enabling you to experiment with different combinations to achieve the desired visual. And once satisfied, you can download your creation for personal use or share it directly with others. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.